struggle.
Did you bring the wine too, Zach?
Yeah, I brought everything. Because I'm tight.
Oh, you brought the wine, nice.
The wine.
The wine.
The wine.
I got a full 2-6 for tonight, too.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I gotta have a 2-6.
Nice.
Joey's at the tab.
You guys should all come to the show if you can.
What's up?
This is the one you
Everybody
turn
went.
to make the
There's
gas.
instructions there.
I'm so
How about you just tell me?
No.
I can't even wait.
That looks good too.
I don't know why. I can't, like, place who that is.
Cody?
Yeah.
You can't?
Well, I can, but not
Close
really.
the
It's like a
fuel
blurry
valve.
face.
Ginger.
Firmly.
Ginger. Weird. Well, I guess
Open
you guys
pump
wouldn't
one
prefer.
turn.
Well, like I knew him like through you guys, but not like I never really hung out with him that much. Only saw him at parties and stuff.
Turn lane, leave it up.
But yeah, no, I think I know who it is though. Got it like in my head.
Yeah, I never really liked Cody Gibson's friends. Like, we never really got along.
It's hilarious.
Well, they were just really, like, grumpy and annoying.
Fuel lever. Fuel cap. Lighting lever. This is fucking hard. Joey, just do it for me. I can barely
Shorts
read.
on, dude. It's so hot.
Hey Jordy, have you seen any nice 350s on the internet?
Of course, there's lots.
Do it now.
What do you mean? What, you want to buy 350?
Yeah.
Why? What are you hauling?
What am I hauling?
No.
Nothing. Don't let that thing get the best of you.
You just did.
It just did.
Jordy, I was thinking like a white truck. Like
Fuel's
F-350
closed.
white. Put like a 3
Fuck, I really hope I don't have to get on like a 5 in the morning flight on Sunday or on Monday, so I can just sleep in on Sunday.
Yeah, that early one would suck.
Well, that's when you just, like, don't sleep.
Yeah.
Then you become like
I think-
almost high awake.
Yeah,
You've
it's
been up so
gross.
long.
I hate that.
I think in the summer there's one that leaves at 11
Yeah.
to Toronto.
Yeah.
Unless you're just going like to Vancouver and then out of Vancouver. Which is probably more likely.
That would get me into Toronto at like 6:30. And then yeah, that would work. I'd be in Sudbury by 9.
Where's the thing? The
Get there.
pump.
How many flights do you think you've been
I
on?
fly from Toronto. It's an hour and 45-minute flight.
I wonder if your body's, like, fucked from going in all that pressure.
Jesus Christ,
I don't
man.
think
That
so.
affects you.
I'm an idiot.
I wonder if it must. Like a little bit.
Maybe.
Cause Zach is fucking stupid.
That would mean your mom.
I'll give you a hint. It goes in the front.
That would mean your mom would be.
Completely
Yeah.
fucked. Yeah, I don't think she is. Really don't think she is.
Has to go there, your mom's really
And there's
What?
Is
Yeah,
my mom
buddy.
Really fucked? I don't know.
No, I don't
Dust,
think so.
dust.
She's drunk sometimes,
What?
but
Let
she
him
drinks
do it.
wine to an excessive amount.
Really? It's funny, that house, it just looks like the same
There
neighborhood
you
it used to
go.
live in.
I know.
It's so funny.
It's sweet though.
Why did you
There
guys
we
move?
go.
My mom and my sister.
Is there fuel in here,
wanted
Jordy?
to.
I think so. You might want to shake it around and
That's
double
usually
check.
what happens.
That's so funny.
I'm tired of this house. Let's move. I like this house. Shut up,
How do
Dylan.
you ignite? Just
That's
put a lighter?
It's open, right? Yeah.
Just
Now
light
you
it.
pump it a few
Light
more
it right
times.
here. Just light it.
Oh, this is gonna go really badly.
No, you actually
Well,
gotta
not
you
bad
gotta
for
read the
Ontario,
instructions
like,
on how to fill it or on how to.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Here's Dustin.
Yeah.
You're not helping Zach at all right now.
He's acting like it though.
That's all that matters.
Close fuel valve firmly. I assume that's the fuel valve. Open pump one turn. Pump 30 full strokes with
What?
double.
Finger over hole.
What the fuck?
So
What
you gotta
hole?
you gotta turn that. There's a little hole on the pump.
Oh, there is.
Oh,
So you gotta turn
Oh,
that.
so you get pressure.
Yeah, you turn that, then you put your finger over it, pump it 30 times. And then you also gotta get that other
Are you
thing.
kidding me? This is
Like
hard
you
to
gotta
do.
put
I
your
know.
finger over it, turn it clockwise, quarter degree, and then just pull it 30 times, put it
You
down.
guys ready for some burgers?
Woo! Wait 30 minutes, then reapply.
Oh my god. Wait, why is it so complicated?
Alright, that's good.
Building a fucking gazebo.
Is it pressurized now? Does it feel
Oh,
pressurized?
yeah,
It
it's
feels.
pressurized.
So now continue reading the instructions.
Jordy, why are you doing this to me?
You're coming up on 5 minutes here, Zach.
Turn lighting lever up. Assume this is it. And then
Nope.
it should go.
No.
Now you got, yeah.
There you go.
Sounds
Split
good.
it.
Alright. Now we be partying, yo.
Really?
Nope.
Shot it.
Pull that grid out of the way.
This fucker?
Yeah.
Be a little easier to start.
Nope.
You guys want to help or you guys want to help?
I smell it. I smell the gas.
Yeah, I smell gas too. You guys smelling gas? I smell
Make
gas.
sure your fire, the one on the burner to the left is turned off. There's a little valve off to the left. There you go. Yeah.
It's turned off?
Make sure it is.
How do you even know? Look at me, I look like a fucking moron. Can someone help me? Like, I look so dumb right now.
Yeah, you,
Dude, I actually don't know what to do. I'm sorry.
It's really hard, man. The instructions are intense.
We should just go for brunch down at that restaurant.
I'm liking this thing. It fucking kills me.
Well,
I will kill everyone here. Where's Charlie?
Charlie would be all over this.
Charlie would already, I don't know, made a teepee somewhere and fuck, I don't know.
Maybe there's just actually no gas.
Check it.
We're doing something wrong.
Just shake it.
No, there's gas.
Yeah, there's plenty.
Yeah.
what kind of gas is that, Brady?
Just camping fuel.
Camping fuel.
Yeah, it's like naphtha.
Which way is it on though? Which is this salt?
That's off.
Okay.
Fuck, I'm just gonna do it all over.
Read
again.
those instructions on the red thing.
On the red thing. Oh.
It's just saying what lighting lever is.
Up to light after 1 minute turn down. Oh, see, okay.
So yeah, leave it up.
I just turned it down. Now this is happening.
Hey, Dylan's got another cigarette for me?
These better be really good hot dogs.
Sorry, Zach. I've exhausted my effort of help.
Yeah, let's smoke around this.
All right. Don't you have to turn it down?
No, that turns it on.
Okay. No.
Oh, you have to turn the lever down after a minute.
Yeah,
No,
turn the
no,
lever down.
only after it's lit.
Oh.
Only after it's lit. Guys, come on. So, you guys are idiots. Okay, well, someone else can have another crack at that.
Jordy, it's your stove, man.
He's not doing it. He wants